Hey guys, so I just wanted to come on really quick and show you guys how to upload a document or submit an assignment to Canvas. If I say Blackboard, I'm really sorry, but just been doing Blackboard for quite some time now. So gonna try and say Canvas. So here we go. Okay, I've opened up my dashboard. Your dashboard looks probably similar to this, but probably not as busy. Well, it probably does. Probably taken a lot of classes. So I'm going to click on the lab because that's where we're submitting a lot of assignments. Okay, I'm going to go into a student view so that we can work in that view. Okay, so here we are. All right, so you can either look at our assignments in the modules tab and everything is there for you, or you can also go to the assignments tab and then it kind of puts everything kind of squished together all nice and neat and you can see everything there. So it really doesn't matter. You can go look under the modules tab or the assignments tab. So I'm just going to stay in the assignments tab. Okay. So consent form, most of you turned in your consent form, so you do not have to upload it again in Canvas. Don't worry about it. Observation form is due today. You can bring it to class or you can upload it in Canvas if you want to. So let's just go ahead and click on observation form. All right, so this should pull up for you. What you want to do, right here, it shows you how you can submit what forms are accepted. Here it says a text entry box or a file upload. I just chose this on all the assignments just to make it easy. So you're going to click submit assignment. Obviously, we're going to do a file upload. I do not want you to do a text entry. You're not going to type in everything on that observation form because how would you get signatures in? So for this, it's going to be a file upload. You will choose file and everything is going to pop up from your computer. You might have saved it to your desktop. You might have saved it to your downloads, or it could have gone to your iCloud Drive, if you have a Mac. So I'm just going to pick something off my desktop and we'll just do an observation form. Okay. And there it is right there. And then you would click submit assignment and that's it. I'm not going to click submit assignment because I'm just not going to. All right. I want to go to something else. Okay. Let's say it's time for a journal because there's a couple of things you can do there for that. All right. So your first journal is due on September the 10th. So what you would do, once again, you can submit it by a text entry box or a file upload. So this is where you have a couple of different options. So once again, you'll click submit assignment. Oh, sorry. Okay, we're still both learning here. All right, so here we have file upload, which is just what we did. So you can choose your file. And then if you saved it to your desktop or download or documents, so you can just go find it. I'm just going to pick something, obviously this is not my journal, but you can click something, open it, and then there it is. And then you could submit an assignment, okay? Or text entry. If you just want to type your journal right here, my name is Meredith. Obviously, I'm not correcting it right now. I had a great time during my first lab. You can just actually type it right there. And if you want to submit it, that's fine. You're going to click on this, that it's your own work and you did not plagiarize. If you do plagiarize, I'm going to catch it, I promise you. And then submit assignment so you can do it that way. Okay, so those are your two options. Okay. But I'm not going to submit this. Okay, then I want to show you one more thing. All right, right down here, your teaching activity, which we can go over this again. Okay, here you have a text entry box or file upload. This is probably going to be a file upload, but you may type it. That's totally up to you. Choose a file. I'm just going to put this calendar in there. you can add another file. Remember with your teaching activity, you're going to have that first report where you're just jotting down notes. Then you're going to actually have your written report. So you're going to have two things, at least two things. So you can add another file. So I'll just pick this consent form again. Okay, you might have pictures. Taking pictures of your activity is okay. So you can just keep adding files. I know in Blackboard it wasn't, that easily seen to add another file. That was kind of difficult. But here on Canvas, it shows you right there, add another file. So it's a little simpler this time. Okay, but I'm not going to. So, all right, that's how you upload a document, or you could just type right in the text file for Canvas. So it's kind of a little easier than Blackboard. So I think that's about it. But if you have any questions, please email me, come see me, call me, or you can ask me when we see each other this afternoon. I hope y'all have a great day, and I will see you soon. Bye. Whoops.